Ever feel like eating healthy is just too expensive or way too time-consuming? You're not lazy, you're just tired of spending your entire Sunday cooking, chopping, and cleaning for meals that barely last 3 days. But what if I told you that you could meal prep a whole week's worth of delicious, high-protein chicken meals, for less than the price of one takeout order, and do it all in under an hour? Sounds impossible? Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know the cheapest and easiest way to meal prep chicken, even if you've never cooked before. Here's the truth: most people don't fail at eating healthy because they lack discipline. They fail because they don't have a plan. You come home from work, tired, open the fridge, and there's nothing ready. So you grab something quick, chips, fast food, whatever's easiest, and then feel guilty afterward. And get this, according to the USDA, the average American spends over $3,000 a year on takeout and fast food. That's around $250 a month, just for convenience. But with Smart Meal Prep, you can cut that cost by more than half and eat better. So, how do you actually do it? Let's break it down. First, the power of bulk buying. You don't need fancy organic chicken from some high-end store. Just go to your local supermarket or warehouse club, Walmart, Costco, Sam's Club, and grab a family pack of chicken breasts or thighs. You'll get about 6 to 8 pounds for under $20. That's your foundation for the week. Here's the trick: keep it simple. Don't waste time marinating 5 different flavors. Pick one solid base seasoning: garlic, paprika, salt, pepper, and stick with it. Then, add variety later using sauces. This one step saves you time, money, and dishes. You can cook all your chicken at once and switch it up during the week with quick sauces: buffalo, teriyaki, barbecue, even honey mustard. Same chicken, different vibe every day. Second, cook smart, not hard. Forget spending hours in the kitchen. All you need is a baking tray, foil, and your oven. Preheat to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, season your chicken, lay it out, and bake for about 25 to 30 minutes. That's it. While it's cooking, make your sides: brown rice, quinoa, roasted veggies, whatever you like. Pro tip: cook your rice in bulk using a rice cooker or instant pot. It stays fluffy for days and costs pennies per serving. Think about it: one tray of chicken and one pot of rice equals 5 to 6 full meals. That's your lunch or dinner for the entire week, done in under an hour. But imagine this instead: you open your fridge and see perfectly portioned, ready-to-eat chicken meals, all cooked, seasoned, and waiting for you. No stress. No junk food. Just real food that saves you money, gives you energy, and makes you feel in control again. Third, build variety without extra cost. This is where most people give up. They say, "I can't eat the same thing every day." Totally fair, but you don't need to. You just need a few sauce swaps. Monday, buffalo chicken with celery sticks. Tuesday, honey soy glaze with broccoli. Wednesday, taco-style chicken in a tortilla. Thursday, barbecue chicken with roasted sweet potatoes. Same base chicken, totally different meals. You can even prep small containers with different sauces: barbecue, hot sauce, yogurt dressing, whatever fits your style. You'll save time, money, and waste less food. Fourth, store it right. This is the part people usually get wrong. They cook everything, toss it all in one container, and call it meal prep. Then by day 3, it tastes weird or dry. Don't do that. Use individual airtight containers, glass or BPA-free plastic. Divide your meals into single portions. Label them Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Keep them in the fridge for up to 4 days. Anything beyond that? Freeze it. Chicken freezes beautifully and still tastes great after reheating. And here's a pro tip: when you reheat, add a splash of water before microwaving. It keeps the chicken juicy and tender. Now, let's clear up one big myth: meal prep chicken always gets dry and boring. Nope. That only happens when it's overcooked or left open. If you bake it just right and keep it sealed tight, it stays tender for days. And fun fact, the flavor actually deepens over time as the seasoning soaks in. So, the chicken you eat on Wednesday usually tastes better than the one from Monday. Here's the bottom line, eating healthy doesn't have to drain your wallet or take all your time. You just need a simple plan that works, and this is it. Let's recap your 3 key steps. 1. Buy chicken in bulk and keep your seasoning simple. 2. Batch cook once a week and use sauces to create variety. 3. Store your meals properly so they stay fresh and ready to go. Follow just these 3 steps and you'll save money, hours of cooking time, and finally stay consistent with your nutrition. Because it's not about perfection, it's about consistency. That's what changes your body, your energy, and your mindset. So, here's your challenge. This weekend, grab a family pack of chicken and try it. Just once. Season it, bake it, store it, and see how it feels midweek when your fridge is full of ready-to-eat, high-protein meals. I promise, you'll feel organized, confident, and in control. Now I want to hear from you. What's your biggest struggle with meal prep? Is it time, flavor, or motivation? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one. And if this video helped you, hit that like button, and subscribe, because every week we break down simple, science-backed ways to take control of your health, without breaking your wallet or your schedule. Remember, your goals are closer than you think. And it all starts with one simple chicken meal at a time.